The main features that worth to mention are the followings. This is a boost display gauge and boost controller in one. It is very easy to program. No laptop required. Boost control solenoid and all necessary hardware are included. Onboard 80 sig map sensor. This time, no upgrade kit needed for high boost vehicles. You can set 2 boost level settings and scramble boost setting. It has wastegate open pressure setting for controlling boost spikes and faster spool. It displays boost levels in PSI, bar, or kilopascal. It has overboost protection, programmable alarms, and a ground output for an optional LED warning light. You can recall the peak boost level. The new X series design provides better visibility. 87% larger center LED and 33% larger face design. X series dimensions make it easier to install it almost everywhere. It has the AEMnet CAN bus enabled for data logging. This control area network can handle up to 13 channels of data over the 2-wire connection. It has 24 programmable green outer LEDs. The auto dimming sensor is ideal for controlling brightness day and night.